This section will discuss the guiding principles for safety management. The department's framework for safety management success is based on a set of 7 guiding principles. The role of line management in safety success is examined in Principle 1. Guiding Principle 2 shows the authority and responsibility for ensuring safety is the responsibility of all organizational levels, from the Secretary of Energy down to contract supervisors. We see in Guiding Principle 3 that applying these principles consistently across a variety of projects results in a well-managed safety plan. Principle 4 states that allocating resources must prioritize protecting the workers, the public, and the environment. Principle 5 speaks to identifying prospective hazards before anyone can be exposed to the risk. Guiding Principle 6 discusses the analysis at initial project proposal to determine what categories of risk are inherent in the work. And finally, Guiding Principle 7 reinforces the concept that the work does not begin or end without safety measures in place.